really wrapping around.
It's so unbelievable. The structure is pretty crazy though.
Yeah, really good structure. I'm getting a good shot of it here. So here's our bend.
Truck, car, SUV things.
Uncle Chevy.
Surface bases, he said 3,000.
Well,
Shortwave's coming. It's almost
yeah,
there.
we got a half hour to an hour. I'm just wondering why. What I'm trying to understand.
Got a nice little dust whirl going on up here.
That's pretty violent. Wow. So here's something to consider though.
Yeah. Base is starting to lower. Really good updraft above it. Pulling in scud there.
Wow, look at that. It's just slinging around.
Yep. We got RFD coming in here. How did this happen? It just started just going nuts all of a sudden.
And it's moving so slowly that
Dude, this mezzo's directly above us. Look at that. Oh, God.
really good LSM thing for you if we get it towards you. There's no one around.
Probably. Okay. Oh,
Big potato.
that was nice.
Yeah, that's rotating, dude. Look at that. The
Yeah.
whole thing's rotating. Like
Yeah.
I
That.
told you it's rotating. It's not a shelf, man. I have a funnel cloud coming down. Maybe. So it's a fucking drill bit.
What the hell is that thing? Oh, that's interesting.
That was fun. I don't know what the fuck
Yeah,
that
we
was.
need to keep going. We got to get out ahead of this.
That was fun.
Got some hail falling.
So my truck go.
Some little hail.
Oh, but that's okay.
I don't even care at this point. Literally don't even care. Wow.
Slow down here. I don't like this.
Dude. Here we go. Moment of truth. Is that a snake? Watch a snake. Don't run over this.
I'm not Hank, but
Rattlesnake?
I don't know. I don't want to find out.
All right. This is fine. This is fine. This is gonna have to do. Hey, can you watch my camera? Just make sure it doesn't fall over. farm's in the way. Whatever. Alright, yeah, just pull off to the right here. Alright. There might be something on the ground. Like off to the right of the wall cloud? I can't tell, honestly. Man, that's so low to the ground, though.